Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Driaa'Alexandriaa. Got no limit.
You got potential. You got potential. You.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Driaa'Alexandriaa, y'all. And it is the last Saturday of 2023. Y'all, y'all can tell by thumbing in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn that post notification bell on, so y'all can see me every time I post a video. But I don't know if I told y'all from the last video or why my face like this, but I say it's so stressful. I go back to work Tuesday and my mouth still not how I want my mouth to be. And so I'm really kind of like on a little time schedule or whatever. So y'all know, y'all need to get them clothes washed before the first. Y'all need to get that trash pulled before the first. Y'all need to do whatever y'all need to do before the first. Because, baby, we can't go in the first looking any kind of way. We can't go in the first with no dirty clothes. We can't go into the first. We can't go into the New Year's with no trash in our house. We can't go in the first with no. Today is the day we get ourselves together. Today is the day we wash these clothes. Today is the day we in good spirits, a good mood. So, baby, y'all already know we going to get our eyebrows arched. We're going to get our eyebrows arched. We're going to get we doing our hair today. We doing our nails today. We washing clothes today. We cleaning up today. We cooking today. We gonna have a good ass time today. We gonna vibe out today. Like, we gonna have fun. We gonna get some games today. We gonna do all it. We gonna have fun. So we gotta make this Saturday our last good Saturday. For me anyway, because I might not have another Saturday off like this. So I'm kind of on the time schedule. So we got to go to my mom's house. I'm finna let y'all, get the run, see Wiley and shit. So we got to do that today. And I'm supposed to be keeping Wiley today, but I don't think I'm gonna do that today. So I'm gonna let y'all see me. Like, I gotta get in this house and do what the fuck I gotta do and get up out of here. And, shit. So, y'all take care of y'all real good. Now, y'all face gonna be looking out outside and crooked and shit like this. Y'all let niggas scratch y'all out. So, yeah, we gotta get this shit together ASAP. And I gotta get some more nose ring, cause this shit ain't sexy. And So So we made it to my mama's house. Yes, now we made it. We made it, child. We made it. We made it. This is the lunchroom, so I'm gonna go and start washing all my little colored clothes and shit first and shit. I had let my clothes follow so bad for this particular reason. Now, trying to, y'all, these all smell so good. That's why I love coming to my mom's house to watch God. I just get to steal. This shit ain't got no limit. The fuck? Why it come out? No, bitch. I need this shit to come out. Woo! Y'all know I got all them clothes in the wash machine. Well, at least I got, oh shit, I got one load. Y'all know that life is staying at your mama house. Still get your bills sent to your mama house. We had to go through my shit. Let me see what they got over here. My mom be a little nosy sometimes. So I need, check some of this shit out here now and then. I don't play like it. Bro. So, y'all try to see I'm back in the car. Lips still crooked and shit. Tooted up and shit. But since I'm on a time schedule or whatever, cause my nigga always got shit to do, I got to go run some errands before a certain time. Ooh, shit. But y'all know I got my sister on the phone and shit. Y'all, she finna start selling wigs and shit, so y'all better get at her. Y'all better get her. She got a goddamn 22 inch for $480. Yeah. I bought $300. Except for the blood. I don't think she got blood though. But I gotta go to the hair store. I gotta go to Dollar Tree. I gotta get my eyebrows arched, but I think I'm gonna do that after. Cause I don't think I can fly all the way over there. So I'll see y'all peoples what I get in the oh, I'm digging in my nose and shit. I'll see y'all people when I get to Dollar Tree. So, work, okay? When you tap, I'm gonna get put the fuck out the door. Oh shit. Go get it. It's okay, it's in your room, go get it. some matching shirts. I found some I can fucking fit. Cause, oh, look at these floating shelves, y'all. Y'all know I see this on TikTok.
Bitch, you don't need that shit.
Girl, bitch, I already got a fucking idea. Bitch, I got this little end table. And I can put it on top of my end table with a little tree.
Get out of space, mama.
Girl, you crazy as hell. Bitch, I'm coming back and eat that shit. Just not today.
Yeah.
Y'all, I'm always coming to Dollar Tree for something. Okay, but that's all I really came for, the shirts and shit. So I got this. Oh, they got a diffuser too, though. You know what them is, Shakila? Okay, y'all, we gotta get out of here because we gotta go to the hair store. So, this is what we're gonna get. We better get my car, so I gotta use Apple Pay. So, hello. Oh, they got a sketchbook.
Give it, mama.
So, they got some little benches, little bench stools. Alright, let me get out of here. Let's just get this and be done. So as y'all can see, I got the shirts and stuff. So now I gotta go to the hair store, and I actually have to get lashes and nose rings and press-ons or whatnot, because like I said, I ain't been getting dolled up in a minute, and I ain't finna go on the New Year's looking like this. And I might actually get my eyebrows arched up the street from my mama house. So I'm gonna let y'all see when I go in here. Like, I ain't been to this hair store so fucking long, but let's see. These, and now I just need to find some. So I went in, I got what I need to get. I had to get so y'all, I had to get lashes. I had to get lashes, press-ons, press-ons, a brush, all that stuff. So since I got all that, the only really thing I got to do, really left to do, I'm just ready to go and go back to my mama's house. Finish washing my clothes, drying them, cause they should be done by now. After I finish doing that, then I actually go back to Rainbows because they don't open up to 10 o'clock. And get me some biker shorts and stuff. So, basically, this is my maintenance vlog preparation. So this part 1 or whatever. So that's all I gotta do for real after that. And then I'll just see y'all after you know, I get everything, get all my shit, and then go to Rainbows or whatever. So I'll see y'all in a minute. So hey y'all, as y'all can see, I'm still at my mama's house. I got my last set of clothes in the dryer. So hopefully now I'm gonna finish up because my boyfriend actually had to go somewhere. So hopefully I'll be done about 11:08, you know, about 10 minutes. Put them clothes in there and, you know, head home and unload my stuff up and stuff and hang my clothes up. Take me a shower because just a whole bunch of stuff going on that we gotta do. And I thought I was gonna be able to get my eyebrows arched right now today, but I'm gonna have to go later on today, so that's gonna be in part 2. So this part 1. So, you know, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn that post notification bell on, so y'all can see me every time I post a video. Bye.
You got potential.